Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, what to do if you keep getting this turn off USB storage error while using WhatsApp? So, firstly, press on the WhatsApp for a few seconds. Now, tap here. Now, click on the permissions option, and here you will see all allowed permissions. Now, through each of the permission and set it to don't allow. Once you have removed all the permissions, go back to the home page and open the WhatsApp app. Now, at the top, tap on the camera option. Now, tap on continue and tap on while using the app and simply allow it. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.